So union means it will give all the records without duplicates. So displays all the records from tables, not one table. It gives all the tables from tables without duplicates. And now we will see union all. The same query, select num from A, union all, again select num from B. See now, union all. So now what are the records we will get? A union all. If I say A union all, B. So what are the records I will get? Union all means it will give the duplicates also. So the first value will be the 10. I will get 10. 11 I will get. And 11 is duplicated. So in A 11 is there, B also 11 is there. So 11 repeat twice. And 12 is also repeating twice because 12 is present on two tables. And then 13 comes 1 and also 14 and then 15. So it will give all the duplicate records. That is union all. So when I run this, see now 10, 11, 12, 14. The first records come from the table A and other records come from the table B. Again 11 is repeated and 12 is repeated. Right? So union all is a set operator will give all the data, all the records including duplicates. So displays all the records from multiple tables. With duplicates or including duplicates. Okay, that is union all. Now we will see intersect. Select num from A, intersect select number from B. It will give only the common data. The records which are present in both the tables is 11 and 12. So this is displays common records from multiple tables. Okay. Now we will see minus. See A minus B. When I use A minus B, so what are the records I will get? A minus B. So the records should present on A, those records should not present on B. So what are they? 10 is present on A but it is not there in B. So I will get the 10. 11 is present on A, 11 is also present on B, so I will not get that. And also 12 I will not get that. And 14 is present on A but 14 is not present on B. So I will get the 14. Right, 10 and 14 I will get when I use A minus B. See now, select num from A minus select select num from B. Select num from B. So now when I see this will give 10 and 14 because 10 and 14 is present on B. Table A, but those are not present on table B. And similarly, this is a completely opposite. B minus A. Select num from B minus select num from A. So see this now. So the records present on B which are not present on A, that is B minus A. Right, so B minus A, so record is present on B which is not present on A. So 11 is there, 11 is present on A also, so we cannot get it. And 12 is also present on A, so we will not get it. And 13 we will get it because that is not present on A, it is present on B. And also 15 we will get it, 13 and 15. So when I run this, you will get something wrong. Select num from B minus select num from A. What is an error? Error starting at line in commands. Okay, I haven't selected S. Okay, so 13 and 15. I'll get the 13 and 15. So this will give displays records from A which are not present in B. And similarly, displays records from B which are not present in A. Okay, so these are called as set operators: union, union all, intersect, minus, and minus. Union, union all, intersect, minus. Okay, 4 operators. So these are, I'll give some examples. I'll copy here. And the rule is, here the rule is column, whatever column we are providing in select statement, that column should be the same data type. Okay, column should be the same data type in all the tables. That is the condition here. So if we have only the same column, then only we can use set operators. Sorry. Column should be the same data type in all the tables. So here this is a limitation actually. Okay, if I have common column, not common column, common same data type column, then only I can go for the set operators. Otherwise I cannot. That's what here we have only provided num column in the select statement. If I specify the star, because other columns also present, but those data types are not equal, that's what we will get an error. Okay, so column data type should be the same for all the tables, then we can go for the set operators. Union will give all the data from all the tables without duplicates, and union all will give all the data from all the tables including duplicates, and intersect will give the common data present on all the tables, and minus will give the data which is present on A and which is not present on the B. And also B minus A is the completely reverse of A minus B. Okay, so these are all called set operators. So based upon this limitation, the joins comes into the picture. So here in set operators, the column data type should be the same across all the tables. That is a mandatory. Okay, while using the joins also, the concept is same. Joins also will get the data from the multiple tables, and here the set operators also used for getting the data from the multiple tables. But only the difference is, if I want to go for set operators, you need to have the same data type across the multiple tables, and if you go for the joins, there need not be the same data type across the multiple tables. Okay, that is the difference. Now we will go into the joins concept. Is it clear so far?
Good, Pawan.
Yeah. Okay, so before going to implementation of joins, let me explain one concept. It seems similar. Union all the set operators and joins concept. So similar, seems very similar. Okay, so joins are different types of joins are there. Joins, why use joins means we can get the data from the multiple tables. The definition is the same for set operators and also joins. Okay, this is also very important concept. Okay, getting data from multiple tables. And what are the types of joins? we have some types of joins. The first one is equal inner join, also called as equijoin. Inner join, also called equijoin. And second one is self join. And third one is cross join. And fourth one is outer join. And under outer join we have right outer join, and also we have left outer join, and also we have full outer join. Okay, so these are the joins. Inner join, also called as equijoin. Self join, cross join, also called as Cartesian product. In Oracle we can call it as a Cartesian product. Okay, and outer join. Within the outer join we have three different kinds: right outer join, left outer join, and full outer join. Okay, so these are the joins. Let us discuss one by one what is inner join, self join, cross join, and outer join and all. Okay, left to right and full outer join. First let us understand very simple way with a simple example, and then we go for the tables. Okay, I'll explain the concept. So I have again the two tables. I have two tables. This is one table. Just a moment. This is one table, and also I have one more table here like this. I have two tables. This is my table A. Okay, and this is my table B. Table A and table B same we have, and again in the both the tables I have the same records again. So here I have 10 and 14, and here I have 13. Just a moment. Okay, so I have here 13, and also I have 15, and common are 11 and 12. So 11, 12 is a common. Here it is also there, here it is also there, and here 11 is there, and also 12 is also there. So these are the records. Now if I use inner join, what are equijoin or inner join? So one more important thing here is, if I want to use join, at least one condition should be present, one condition should be there. So if I go for set operators, I haven't specified any condition. See there, just I say union, right? So I haven't specified any condition there. But if I want to go for the join, I should use one condition. And what column I have to apply that condition? At least one column should be the same for the both the tables. If I take two tables, I want to join those two tables, at least one column should be the same. Okay, at least one column, not all columns, at least one column should be the same. Then only I can combine those tables based on some condition. Okay, so now inner join means inner or equijoin. So when I use inner join, so based on equality of the condition, I can join the tables. Equality of the condition. So when I say inner join or equal join, what are the records are equal on the both the tables? 11 and 12 is a common records, right? This is only these two. Suppose a dot, if I say like a dot number, okay, this is my condition, equal to a b dot number, a dot number equal to b dot number. If I say like this, what are the records will be matched? A dot number dot b dot number. If this equal to, that means what are the records will match? 11 and 12 will be matched. So when I say this condition is true, only I will get two records, 11th record and 12th record, right? That is comes under the inner join or equijoin. So equijoin in the sense we can combine the tables based on the equality of the condition, based on equality of the condition. So it will give only matched records. It will give only matched records. Whatever the records are matched in the both the tables, only it will give the matched records. Okay, that is 11 comma 12. Okay, so inner join is a join. Inner join is a join applied based on the equality of the condition. Equality of the condition. So if I say a dot one, at least one condition is required. Okay, so when I say a dot num equal to b dot num, so what are the records will be matched? So only two records will be matched. So 11 equal to 11 will be true and 12 equal to 12 become true. So only two records will be matched, so that it will give only matched records, that is 11 comma 12. That is inner join. Okay, and now we will see right to left and full outer join. Left the just leave the self join and Cartesian join. Those two joins are little different. I'll explain that. And this is inner join, and there is an outer join. What is outer join? In outer join there are again three: left outer join, right outer join, and also full outer join. Okay, so let us see left left outer join. You understand the inner join? Inner join is nothing but it will give the only common records, just like intersect. Okay, based on the condition is matched. Whatever the condition is matched, only those records will be provided. And left outer join. So left outer join is nothing but, here also we will say a dot, condition should mandatory. Okay, a dot num equal to b dot num. Here also condition with the same, b dot num. But in left outer join, a dot num, b dot num means, okay, I will get 11 and 12. This is fine. 11 and 12 is because 11 and 12 are both are matched, and including 11 and 12, left outer join will give the matched records, and also unmatched records from the table A. Unmatched records from the table A. So 11 and 12 is matched records that will be displayed. And what are the unmatched records again? 10 and 14. 10 and 14 is present on A, but they are not present on B. So it will give 10 comma 14 also. 10 comma 14 also. This is called left outer join. So it will give matched records plus unmatched records from table A. Unmatched records from table A. That is left outer join. It will give the matched records, that is fine. And also it will give unmatched records from table A, which are not present on table B. And if you come to the right outer join, here again the condition is same. What is the condition again? A dot num equal to b dot num. A dot num equal to b dot num. So this will give the matched record. What are the matched records? 11 comma 12 is a matched. And also it will give unmatched records from the right table. So what are the unmatched records from the right table? 13 and 15. So those records are not present on the A table, table A, right? So this becomes a right outer join. Is it clear? Or else I'll repeat once again. Inner join means it will provide only matched records between the tables. Left outer join will provide the matched records as well as unmatched records from the table A. Right outer join will provide the matched records between the tables and also unmatched records from the table B, that is right table. And what is full outer join? Full outer join provides all the records, matched records plus unmatched records from the both the tables. That means it is like a union. It will give all the records. Okay, this is a basic concept of join. So again we will implement this. how to implement this. Is it clear, the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, first go for small tables and then we apply the same concept in the employee and department tables. Okay. So I have table called select star from A and also select star from B. I have two tables now. Okay. So just remember the limitation in set operators. In set operators, we have used only column number. Num column we have used because that is the only column we have the same data type in the both the tables. But now I can use any number of columns because we are going to use the joins. So joins support any kind of data types. At least one column should be the common. Okay. So these are the two tables I have currently. Just I am writing here. So now first I will apply inner join, then we will see left outer and other joins, and then we go for the cross join and self join. Okay. So for this inner join, so inner join gives the records from the tables which are equal. That's what it is also called as equi-join. Okay. So how we can write a inner join? So there are two ways of writing the joins. One is just remember one syntax. This is a way of writing join. Select star from A. Select star from A. Inner join B. We are joining table A with table B. So select a star from A, inner join B. Get all the records from A and B. Join on. We need to specify the condition. What is the condition? A dot num equal to B dot num. These are the num is a common column in the both the tables, right? So select a star from A, inner join B on which column? This column. So when I run this, see now you will get all the columns. But in using set operators, when I use union or union all, if I use star there, I cannot get the data because in set operators, all the columns should be the same data type. Otherwise, we cannot use there. But here, when I say star, I will get all the data. See this, yes name and number. First two columns come from table A. And the second two columns, num underscore 1 and column names are same, right? In the both the table, that's what it is added as underscore 1. So S name, number. First two columns come from table A. And the third column and fourth column grade, these two columns come from the table B, right? So inner join means equality of the condition. Equality in the condition, but what are the see this table A 10, 11, 12, 14 is there, but in table B again what are 11, 12, 13, 15 are there, but what are the equality? What are the numbers are equal? What are the records are equal? Only those records are displayed, and 11 and 12. This condition matches only two records. That's what it retrieves the two records. Select star from A, inner join B on condition. Okay, and this is also we can write in different way like this. Select star from A. Select star from A. Okay, comma B. Where condition A dot num equal to B dot num. A dot num equal to B dot num. So when I run this, same record you will get. So this is another way of writing. Okay, so select star from A comma B. A is one table, B is one more table, and both the tables it should get the data. What is the condition where A dot num equal to B dot num? This is another way of writing equi-join. Okay, best way is just to proceed with this way. This is a little older method. Okay, and select star from A, inner join B on this one. Okay, when I run this, what the values I will get? Only matched records. Only matched records. This is very important. Okay, just remember carefully, and if you have any questions, ask immediately. Okay, only matched records we will get. So that's what we got, only 11 and 12. Only two records are matched. See, this 11 and 12 is a common in the both the tables. That is equality of the condition. It's also called equi-join. This is inner join or equi-join. In this we get only matched records. Now we will see another kind of join called outer join, left to right. Now I'll write first right outer join. Select star from, see this syntax will be the same, okay? Select star from A, left outer join, right? So left outer join, space should be mandatory. Left outer join B on what condition again? A dot num equal to B dot num. Again the condition is same, okay? Condition should be the same because common column should be present. And what I'm saying here, select star from A, left outer join B on this column. So when I say the condition, what is the prerequisite of this? Match records should come first. Match records will come because the condition, whatever the condition I specified, only match records will come. And also, as I said, unmatched records from left table will come. Unmatched records from the left table. So here what is the left table? Left table is A. So now when I run this, just observe. See, before running this, just observe here. Left outer join, right? A dot num, B dot num condition is matched. What I say here, this will retrieve the matched records. What are the matched records? 11 and 12 is the matched records. And also unmatched record from the left table. What is the left table here? A is the left table. What are the unmatched records? 10 is not there in B. And also 14 is not there in B. So 10 and 14 are the unmatched records. So that also I will get. So 11, 12, 10 and 14. So totally 4 records I will get. So when I run this, see this 11, 12, 14 and 10 I will get from the first table, left table. But when I see here 14 and 10, these two numbers are not there in the table 2. When I see B, 14 is there? No, right? 14 is not there. But when I run this, just a moment. Very simple. See this, first 2 columns are come from the table A and the second 2 columns are comes from the table B, right? So in table A, what are the records are there? First matched records. I said first matched records. What are the matched records? 11 and 12 are the matched records. Okay, those records are displayed. That is fine. And also those 2 records are present in table B also. That is fine. But what are the unmatched records from the table A? As I said, matched records plus unmatched records from the table A. What are unmatched records? 10 and 14. So 10 and 14 are present on A, but those 2 records are not present on B. Not present on B. That's why 10 and 44 and that's why 10 and 14 are displayed on second column, but corresponding records are not there in the B. That's what it is showing as a null. Got my point? It shows a null. It will not put as an empty. It put it as a null values because the corresponding records are not there in table B. As I said, first 2 rows are matched records and 3 and 4 rows are unmatched records. Those records are present on table A, but those records are not present on table B. That's what it is showing a null. Okay, so matched records, unmatched records from table B. A. Records from left table. I said left table, right? Left table in the sense table A. Matched records plus unmatched records from the left table. So those unmatched records, what the values it will put? It will put nulls. Matched records from left table, but what are the records, corresponding records in table B? There is no records. That's what it put as a null. Is it clear? Okay, so left outer join in the sense it will give matched records first and then unmatched record from the table A. Unmatched records in the sense 11 and 14 is not present on the table B. That is unmatched. That is also will display 10 and 14. But corresponding records also should be displayed. But there is no corresponding records in the table B. That's what it is showing as a null. Okay. And same way right outer join. Just change the right. See now this will give the common records 11 and 12. Okay, 11 and 12 and also unmatched records from the table B. So what are unmatched records? 13 and 15 is not there in table A. So those will give 13 and 15. But these records are not present on A. That's what that will show as a null. So when I see this one, see this now, 13 and 15 is present on table B, but corresponding records are not present on table A. That's what it is showing as a null. So the condition is here again matched records, comma, unmatched from right table. So those unmatched it will put as a null. You got my point? So this is left outer join. Okay, so it will give the matched records as well as unmatched records from the left table and corresponding values from the table B becomes null. And now if I say right outer join, it will give the matched records from the both the tables and also unmatched records from the table B and corresponding records in the table A becomes null. Is it clear so far? Anita garu? అర్థమైందండి ఏమైనా కన్ఫ్యూషన్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి. I'll repeat. Right. So now I'll create full outer join. Select a star from A, full outer join B on A dot num equal to B dot num. Now it will give all the records. Full outer join means it will give left and right, and whatever the corresponding records are not there, those records will become a null. See this, as I said, full outer join, all the records, but whatever the records are present on A, those are not in B, those are not there in B, those records will become null. Again, whatever records are present on B, those are not there in A, those records also become null. That's what, see, these two records 13 and 15 is not there in A, that is become null, and also 14 and 10 records are not there in B, that's what B table become a null. So this is called full outer join. It will give, so what is the rule here? Matched records comma unmatched records from both the tables. That is a condition. So inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. And also I can write a different way. So inner join I have written the different way like this, right? So this is a way. Also I can write in this way. Okay, and now I also write in different way. This is left outer join, right? Left outer join. There are two syntaxes actually. Okay, left outer join. This is left outer join. Okay, now I'll write a different way in left outer join. See this. Select star from A comma B, okay, where A dot num equal to B dot num. When I say like this, what type of join it is? It is inner join, right? We have already written in the first statement. This is inner join. Now I make this as a left outer join. So how I can do it? Simply say here, put plus operator like this. So now this become a left outer join. This is one more syntax of this. Okay, See this, when I run this, I will get the data 11, 12, 14, 10, and also this will give the same records. Just a moment, something wrong. Okay, sorry, we need to put this place here. This is left, right? So we need to put the left side of this. Okay, when I run this, you will get the correct record. See this, both are same. This is another way of syntax. Okay, you need to put the plus because you have to get the unmatched records from the B, right? Left outer join. So, but here this is one more syntax, and also we can write right outer join. Also, we can have this different syntax like this. See this, select star from A comma B, where A dot num equal to B dot num. So this is normal equijoin. Now I want to make this as a right outer join. So what I can put here is plus. So this will become a right outer join. Now when I run this first statement, I will get the 11, 12 remaining null, and also this will give the same 11, 12 null. Okay, so this is a way we can write a join. But full outer join we don't have this way. So this is the only way we can write a full outer join. Okay. So these are the different kinds of joins: inner join, right outer join, left outer join, and full outer join. So inner join means based on the equality of the condition, only it gives a matched records from the both the tables. And left outer join means it will give the matched records from the both the tables and also unmatched records from the left table. And right outer join, right outer join will give the matched records and also unmatched records from the right table, and full outer join will give the matched records and also unmatched records from the both the tables. Okay, so these are the examples. You need to read this formula. The formula is very, very important. Okay, is it clear so far? Inner join, outer join, these two are very important. You should not have any confusion. Actually, there is no confusion. Very, very simple. Inner join means match records. Left outer join means match records as well as unmatched records from the left table. Right outer join means matched records plus unmatched records from the right table. And full outer join means matched records and unmatched records from the both the tables. That is the formula. Simple way of remembering. Okay. Now I will go to the two other joins: cross join and also self join. Cross join and self join. Self join is nothing but a table joining with the same table is called as if I want to join, at least we have two tables. That is mandatory. Okay, we can have the more than two tables also. If I want to join, at least two tables are required. That is the rule. But for self join, if I want to use self join, one table is enough. One table is enough. Okay, on one table I can give a self join, right? So now here I have a table called self star from EMP. This is my table. So my query is I want to display employee number, e-name, and also every employee is having the manager, right? Every employee is having the manager. So manager ID is present on the MGR column. See this, e-name is Pith, whose manager is his 7902, but name is not present. Again, his manager is also an employee in the department, right? His manager is also one more employee of the same company. So if I want to know the name of the manager of the employee, see this Smith is a name, is an employee. I want to know his manager name. How we should refer? First I should see the manager ID 7902, and then I come to 7902 is present or not. Okay, 7902 is present. So what is his name? His name is Ford. So now I can say the manager of the Smith is Ford, Ford, right? Again, that is available in the same table. Again, the value is available on the same table. Now I can join this. How we will get this value actually? So when I say like this, when I write like this, so select ename comma mgr from emp. When I write like this, what will happen? This will give ename and manager id, but not manager name. I want to get manager name also, right? So I want to get manager name also. Before ename, just put emp id also, emp number also, emp number. Okay, when I run this, you will get emp number, emp name, and their manager id you will get. But how we will get manager name? Again, I want to get this number first, 7902. I need to search 7902 which is present on the emp number or not. If it is equal, then I will get this name, right? So here I can use self join, because the record I want to get the same record which is again present on the same table. I don't want to go for another table. Okay, if I don't have the value existing table, then I can go for other table and I can use join. But here in this case, the value again, the output value again available on the same table. So I need to go for any other table. Employee number is present, ename is present, manager ID also present. Only thing is I want to get the name of this particular manager ID. Only that thing I have to do. Okay. So now how we can do it? First thing is, very important thing is, I have to create a table alias first. So what is table alias? You need to understand. Table alias is another name of the table. Okay, so for example, when I write like this, select e dot emp number comma e dot ename comma e dot mgr from empe. When I say like this, the e is a table alias. Invalid identifier, e dot emp number, e dot ename, sorry, dot should be there. Okay, so when I run this, it will give the same data. So what is e here? E is a alias, table alias. We can call this alias is a different name for the table. There are two types of aliases are there. The first one is a column alias and second one is a table alias. Column alias we can give after the column. Suppose I want to display emp number as a different name. Suppose e number. Instead of putting emp number, I want to put here e number. And also instead of putting e name, I will put emp name. Instead of putting e name, I want to put here emp name. And also instead of putting mgr, I want to put manager. These are called column aliases. So when I run this, the column aliases, whatever we put, only those names will appear here. See this e number, emp name, manager. Only column aliases, whatever I kept here, only those aliases are displayed. If I define anything before the column name, that becomes a column alias. And the same way, if I define anything after a table name, that becomes a table alias. That exactly represents the table. So now when I say table alias, instead of using table name directly, I can also use alias directly. That's what, if I say e.emp number, it represents emp table, emp number. And also here e.ename means emp table and ename. And also e.manager means within the emp table, it referring to the mgr column. Okay, when I run this, you will get the data. So this is a column alias and a table alias. So when I say any name after the column, that is called as a column alias. And when I say any name after the table, that is called as a table alias. Okay. So when I want to, if I want to write a self join, I want, yeah.
Again,
yes చెప్పండి
మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేయరా ఎలియా
yes okay so this is my normal query name from mgr from employee. This is a normal query, right? I want to display column names differently. So exact what is the original column names? emp number, ename and mgr. These are the normal original columns, but I want to display the different names, not original columns. Then I can apply a column alias. Suppose instead of emp number I want to put e number. Okay, so now when I run this, you will not get emp number as a column. You will get the e number now. See this? The number is changed. But internally in table, emp number is there. But this is only the alias. Only for display purpose, I can add that. And similarly, ename also. The exact original column name is ename, but I want to display emp name. Okay, when I run this, instead of ename, it will give the emp name. So this is a column alias. These are called column aliases. And one more important thing, if there is any space in the column alias, if you have to put that into double quotes. That is very, very important. Okay, if you want to apply any alias to the column, that alias name should have some space. If you have any spaces, then you have to put in the double quotes. Then it will give correctly, or else it will go through, it will give the error. Okay, that is, these are all column aliases. These are all column aliases. And similarly, I have a table alias. So suppose when I run like this, select emp number comma ename comma mgr from emp. When I write like this, this is a normal common table, right? emp number, ename, mgr. But now I want to apply the table alias. Where I need to apply? After table name, I provide e. So this is a table alias. You can give any name. Okay, I can give also employee or employee, something. You can give anything. So this becomes acts like a alias, emp e. So if I refer this here, e dot emp number or e dot ename, so then it will be useful. See now? So exactly where the table alias will be useful. You already know why to use column alias, because if you want to display the different names instead of original names of columns, you can go for the column alias. But where the table alias is required, see this, a simple query I will write here. Select star from emp comma department. Okay, both I'll write a join between the employee and department. Okay, now just observe what are the similar columns are present. Select star from emp. Select, I'm just explaining what is the importance of table alias. Okay, select a star from DEPT. I have two tables. In employee, I have DEPT number, and also in DEPT I have DEPT number, both. Now I want to join both the tables. Now select star from emp and DEPT. Okay, inner or where I'll put condition where emp dot DEPT number equal to DEPT dot DEPT number. If both are equal, just get those records. I'm saying all the records from employee as well as department. So when I run this query, what happens? Just observe. Just observe here, DEPT number it came from, and DEPT number -1 also from the second table. It gives the null values, right? So if I want to separate, if I want to know this DEPT number comes from the, there are two DEPT numbers are there. If I say star, two DEPT numbers come, one from employee table, one from department table, right? If I want to say separately, I can say like this. Suppose when I see columns, star is fine, no problem. It will give the duplicates. It will give the two columns. One is from employee table, another is from department table. And when I say explicitly department number like this, see, this is very important. Okay, department DEPT number, specifically DEPT number. I want only DEPT number column. When I run this, you will get an error. What is an error? Column ambiguously defined. So what does it mean? We are saying select DEPT number from EMP comma department, where EMP dot department number equal to DEPT dot department number. This condition is fine. But when I say DEPT number, this query don't know from which table I will get the department number. Is it related to, because in the both the tables department number is available. In the both the tables it is there. But in which table I want to retrieve the department number? I should retrieve from EMP table or should I retrieve from the department table? So that will be confused. That's what ambiguity defined. You will get this error. So in this case, what I can do is I will define an alias for EMP-E and also DEPT-D. I'll provide two aliases, EMP table as well as department table. Now I will say get the department number from employee, E dot department number. Got my point? So now when I run this query, I will get the department ID from EMP. Just a minute. DEPT dot DEPT invalid identifier. Something spelling mistake. DEPT number. DEPT-D where EMP. Okay. So when I say aliases here also I should use this one. This is E dot D. What happened?
Table name. Yes, but
Yes.
and tables with keeping dot Pawan, like EMP dot department better ఇంతకుముందు.
అవును అట్లా పెట్టచ్చు. See this. Okay. Select. Okay. EMP dot DEPT number from EMP comma DEPT where DEPT number, which DEPT number this is, EMP dot DEPT number equal to DEPT dot DEPT number. So this is a way of writing query. So when I run this, you will get the department number without aliases. There is no aliases in this. Now when I say alias in this query, first query, see this EMP, I have put table alias E, again department table alias D. So here I need to compare like this, E dot department number and D dot department number. Why? Because I have put the aliases here and also I am getting the column using alias. So you will get the same result. Okay, so that's what aliases will be useful. Table alias will be useful whenever you want to retrieve the specific columns from the tables. So this column is present on the both the tables. If I don't say in which table it is present, it will be, you will get the ambiguity error. Okay, because we have to explicitly say in which table I want to retrieve this number, retrieve this column. That is very, very important. Okay, so and also table alias is very much useful if you want to write the complex queries. I will show some more examples. Okay, and now we will enter into the self join. We'll come back to the self join. So self join uses only one table, a table with the same table. We need to join a table with the same table is called as a self join. What is self join here? The definition is like this. Self join join with a table with the same table. How we can join? So when I see like this, select EMP-E. So EMP is one table, E is a alias for the table, so it will create two tables. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to create two aliases. I want to create two aliases for EMP table. I will create two aliases for EMP table. So for how we can create. So for example like this. See this query. Select EMP number comma ename comma job and different columns. Okay, mgr from emp. When I say like this, it will give the 4 columns: emp number, ename, job and manager. So when I see this, first thing is I want to display the manager name of the employee. That is my query. Okay, what is my query? Display details of manager of each employee. Whatever is employees are present, for each employee I want to display the manager names, not IDs. Manager names of each employee. IDs I will get anyway. See this manager ename for this particular employee, he is the manager. ID I will get, but how we will get the name? So what I want to do again, I want to refer this. This I want to refer 7920 for example ID. So first I want to get this. See this another query. Select emp number, ename, job. Okay, job comma, very important, again one more ename I am putting here, from mpe comma emp m, where e dot mgr equal to m dot emp number. What this will do is, when I say emp number, ename, job, ename, some columns from empe comma empm. So what I am doing for employee table, I am creating 2 aliases. So internally how it will create? I have an employee table. This is an employee table. Okay, this is original employee table. I am creating 2 aliases for the same table. So this is one more employee table and this is one more employee table. So this is alias is E and this is alias is M. So E refers to the same table and also M refers to the same table. Now I have here name and manager ID. Right? Employee name and ID I have here. And also here I have employee name and employee manager ID, and also here employee name and also manager ID I have. Right? So what I want to do is, first see this emp number, ename, job, ename from employee E. From employee I am getting all the details, and employee M also. So from employee M, what are the details I am getting? E name I am getting. So what E name refers? This refers to the manager name actually. Okay, where E dot manager equal to E dot emp number. So what is this condition? E dot manager, that means 7902. So suppose assume that 7902 is present on the E, and E dot manager M dot emp number. M dot emp, suppose this ID is present on the emp number. There is one more column called emp number, right? ID means employee ID means this is also emp number, but emp number 69, emp name is Smith. For this employee, he is a manager. 7902 is a manager. But how do you know name of this manager? 7902. Again, I want to search 7902 under emp number. So where 7902 is present, 7902 is present here. So I will get this name. Similarly, here emp number come from emp table, ename come from the employee table, and job is also come from the employee table. So for these 3 columns come from the E dot. That is first table. Okay, and now other ename. So this ename come from the manager table, because in this table I am referring the manager name, and here in this table I am referring the manager ID. From emp E, emp M, and condition should be matched. emp manager e dot manager equal to m dot emp number. If both is 7902 and 702, if both are matched, then get the all the details. Both are matched, then get the all the details. That is my query. Select display manager names of each employee. So this is the details of the employees with manager name from employee E, employee M. Two tables I have created, and both the two tables I have put the join condition. Where I should join employee number, manager ID should be the same. It will give the match records, right? So when I run this, see this emp number we will get, ename we will get, and job and their employee name. So Ford is an employee whose manager is John's. Smith is employee whose manager is Ford. Okay, so basically it will give like this. I create some slides here. I'll give this to you. Okay, so the joining the table with the same table. See this, E is alias for EMP table, also M is alias for the EMP table. Both are referred to the EMP table but referring to the different columns. MGR is a different column, EMP number is a different column. Even though the table is same but columns are different. So that's what it is called as a self join. We can get the data from the same table. It's called a self join. Self join. Okay, so this is one more example of self join. You can get the data from the same table. So here table aliases must and should required. So without a table alias we cannot create because we have only one table. How we can join with the same table with the same table? It is possible. It is possible through aliases. When I say E and M, two table aliases, if I create two table aliases, then I can have two tables now. So E is one table and M is one table. Now I can join two tables, right? So that is a thing of self join. We will see some more examples in next classes. Okay, so this is one kind of self join, and one more is cross join, also called Cartesian product. That will give all the combinations of data actually. So that is very simple one. Suppose I have table and also table A and B. Here I have 1, 2, 3, and here I have 4 and 5. Okay, so 4 and 5 in the B dot table. When I join this condition, suppose here 1 is there and common condition is 1, and 2 also present here, 2 is as common. So when I join this table using Cartesian product, it will give all the combinations like 1, 2, 4, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 2. Again 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 5, 2, 2. Again 3, 4, 3, 1, 3, 5, 3, 2. These are all the combinations. So how many combinations will come? In A table I have 3 records. In B table 1, 2, 3, 4 records. I have 4 records in B table, and totally 3 into 4 records, 3 4s, and 12 records I will get. 12 records I will get. This is just like a Cartesian product. Cross join. Can call as a cross join. We will get all the records, including duplicates. Including, this is like a union all. Okay. But in union all, we can give the same data type of the column, but here we can get all data type of columns. See now, I'll use this one. Cross join. How we can write cross join? Select. There is no condition like this. Select a star from A, comma B. That's it. So this will give all the combinations. See now, 16 are there. 16 are there. So in A, how many records are there? How we can see? Suppose EMP department table. If I see EMP department table, select count star from EMP. So in EMP we have how many records? 14 records. And also in DAPT, select star, select count of star from EMP. Sorry, department. DAPT. So how many records are present here? 4. So when I run this, both the queries, EMP table having 4. So EMP table having 14 and department table having the 4. So 14 into 4. And now when I join the two tables using cross join, select star from EMP, DEPT. This will give 14 into 4, 56 records. This is all Cartesian join. Okay. So these are all concepts of join, and I'll show a small example. I'll close in another 10 minutes. So now joins we have seen on simple tables, A and B tables. Now how we can use joins on EMP and department tables. Okay, simple one. So I'll write inner join on employee table and department join. Okay, inner join means common records it will display, right? Only match records. So how we can join? Select star from EMP, DEPT, inner join. Sorry, star from EMP, inner join DEPT on EMP dot DEPT number equal to DEPT number. See this, what type of query it is? This is inner join. Okay, so when I run this query, you will get only the common record. See this, 1020 is there, 1020 is there. So when you go for department table, select star from DEPT. Here how many departments are there? 10, 20, 30, 40, 4 departments are there. But when I see inner join, only common records I'm saying, right? And 10, 20 is a common for the both the tables. That's what it gives, only 10, 20 department number details. This is called inner join. Inner join. Now I'll write a right outer join. Select star from EMP, right outer join DEPT on condition. Again, condition is same. Okay, now what this will do, this will give match records, that means 1020 it will give, and also unmatched records from the right table. So when I see this, see now unmatched records are not there, that's what it is giving as a null. Okay, so this is right outer join. Now when I see matched plus unmatched records from the right table, this is called right outer join. Right outer join. Now the same thing, I'll write a star from EMP, left outer join. Left outer join. So when I run this, it will give the matched records as well as unmatched records from the left outer join. So corresponding tables are corresponding table values in the right table becomes as a null. See this. So this is left outer join. Now I want to write full outer join. So Control C, Control V. Instead of this, just put as a full outer join. So when I run this, Japan. Yes. Yes. Null endukundante meeku cheptanu chudandi. So when I run this, okay, first what is the condition of this left outer join? Matched records రావాలి కదా. So 10, 20 matched వచ్చేసినాయి first. That is fine. And also unmatched records from the left table అని చెప్పాను. So what is the left table? EMP table. So EMP table లో ఉండాలి, బట్ కరస్పాండింగ్ రోస్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, EMP table లో ఉండేటటువంటి ఈ రోస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ లో లేవు కాబట్టి నల్స్ వచ్చాయి అన్నమాట.
ఇటు డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఇది నల్ ఓకే, బట్ ఇక్కడ మీరు సెకండ్ రికార్డ్ 739 చూస్తే మేనేజర్ నల్ అని ఉంది కదా. ఇక్కడ
ఇది సెకండ్
manager
రికార్డ్
yeah
ఏ రికార్డ్ చెప్పండి ఒకసారి.
7839 అంటే ఓన్లీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నెంబర్ నే చూస్తాం.
అవును, అందుకంటే కాలం మనం అదే పెట్టాం కదా, డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నెంబర్ మీదనే పెట్టాం. కామన్ కాలం షుడ్ బి ప్రెసెంట్. ఓకే,
డిఫైన్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి సో
yes yes, only department number should be considered. Okay,
clear.
okay, so this is a full outer join and left outer join, right outer join. Okay, so this is very very important. And also you can combine more than two tables also. Okay, I'll give some exercises later, you can practice them. So also left outer join I can write in similar way like this. Select, and different way also I can write like this. Select star from emp comma dept where emp dot dept number equal to dept dot dept number. So if I want to make this as right outer join, what I should do, I should put this plus here at the end. So this is one more syntax actually. Okay, this will give nulls here. The same similar way this will give like this. Sorry, we need to put this here. This is right outer join. See, this both are same. This is also and this is also same. Okay, and also you can write left outer join also like this. Select star from emp comma dept and where emp dot dept equal to dept dot dept number. Okay, so see, this will give match records as well as what is this become, this becomes a normal one, right? So if I want to make this as a left outer join, I should add one more operator called plus, this one. Now it will give the result same. Missing parenthesis somewhere. Okay, and same way I can run this, same records. Okay, this is the way we can get it. And also one more important thing is, when I use here, when I use star, there is no problem. You will get the two columns. Department number is from emp table and one more department number is from department table. No issues. But when I say exact column name, then you will get the problem. See this? Instead of writing this, what I want to write here is Control C, Control V. Instead of star, I don't want to all the columns. I want to get only department number column, dept number column. Okay, when I run this, now the problem will come because it is not able to identify this column retrieving from either emp table or department table. It doesn't know. So we need to explicitly say in which table you want to get this department number. So we need to explicitly say emp dot. If I say emp dot, you will get department number from emp table. And also if you suppose if you get department dept dot, you will get the department number from dept table. Okay, and also you can give the alias also. Suppose here empe g department d. When I say aliases here also you need to use aliases e and also here d. So e dot department number equal to d dot department number. What is e and d here? E and d is aliases for the tables. And also here you need to say whether this column comes from the e table or d table. E means emp, d means department. So when I run this, you will get the value. So this is a way of using column aliases. And we will see more on column aliases and table aliases in the next classes. Next class we will discuss subqueries. Okay, there you will be very much useful. You will be very much use these aliases, column and table aliases. Okay, is it clear so far? This is very very important from the database perspective. Joins are very very important. Okay, self join, inner join or equi join, cross join, and outer joins lo 3 outer joins. Inner again left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. Okay, I make them very clear, and also I will send one PPT. Okay, joins PPT. This is the picture I have explained to you. If I see this picture, you will be very much clear about joins. Okay, and now I'll write some queries also. I will send those queries. And also one more important thing here, I have created some schemas, create table A, create table B. Just execute the scripts, automatically it will create the tables. And this is, see this, I have written the queries here. This is inner join, this is left outer join, this is again right to left and full outer join, and these are joins from the EMP table. See, I have written the formula also. Equijoin means only matched records from the both the tables. Right outer join means matched records plus unmatched records from the right table, that is EMP table. And here left outer join means matched records plus unmatched records from the left table, that is DAPT table. And full outer join means matched records plus unmatched records from the both the tables. And I have written in the both the ways. This is one way of doing and this is another way of doing. Okay, so this required practice actually. You need to practice a lot. And first you need to have the complete full clarity, then you can apply, you can write your joins. Okay, is it clear what is the difference between set operators and joins? Set operators, we can join the tables only if you have the same data type columns, otherwise we cannot use set operators. And if you come to the joins, any data type of the columns we can join, but at least one column should be matched between the tables. That's what joins comes into the picture. These are different kinds of joins. Okay, I'll stop here for today, and tomorrow I'll explain some more concepts. Just a moment. This is my curriculum. What we have covered so far is this much. This is 5th session, right? So 5th session, today we have covered this much and SQL joins. Subqueries I'll explain tomorrow's class, and also I'll explain commands, TCL commands, grant, views, judo columns, and what are the views and synonyms and indexes. So tomorrow will be the last session for the SQL. Okay, and also if anything is pending, and those concepts, and also I'll explain functions and procedures in the next week. Okay, I will take one more week, Saturday. In that class, I'll explain functions and procedures from PLSQL side. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Actually, I planned for SQL only 6 sections because you have asked for functions and procedures, right? So that I'll cover in the next class. Not tomorrow class and next week. Okay? Yes, next Saturday. That required one class. One class is enough.